crypto market gearing up for a major breakout or bracing for another shakeup? Let's dive into the latest trends driving Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins today. Hi and welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we provide you daily updates on crypto market trends for strategic investments and calculated gains. Bitcoin, a power-packed recovery. Bitcoin is backing in the limelight, recovering from $88,700 earlier this month to $91,599.99, showing a 1.21% daily gain and a 3.60% weekly gain. While institutional interest is fueling this rebound, with MicroStrategy leading the charge, purchasing 57,160 BTC worth $4.6 billion. They plan to spend $1.2 billion monthly on Bitcoin acquisitions over the next 3 years. Adding to the momentum, BlackRock's approval for its IBIT Spot Bitcoin ETF has opened the doors to mainstream adoption, promising to draw significant capital into Bitcoin. So technically, Bitcoin is holding steady above $90,500 support level, eyeing resistance at $92,000. Let's talk about Ethereum, steady but cautious. Ethereum's trading at $3,140.43, up 1.29% and down 5.71% weekly amidst the market correction. The network's transition to Ethereum 2.0, featuring the energy-efficient proof-of-stake mechanism, has bolstered its ecosystem. Key levels to watch are support at $3,100 and resistance near $3,180. Breaking above $3,200 could spark renewed bullish sentiment. Now let's talk about altcoins, which is showing mixed performances. Polkadot is up 7.81% weekly, trading at $5.92, driven by innovations in cross-chain protocols. Solana boasts a 9.96% weekly gain, priced at $241.07, thanks to NFT and DeFi projects. Ripple is up a staggering 85.06% weekly, trading at $1.12, propelled by legal wins. Now let's talk about the biggest gainers for the day. Hedera up 40.90%, trading at $0.1504, supported by corporate partnership. On the flip side, the losers of the day are Peanut the Squirrel, down 12.32%, now at $1.54. So the crypto market's resilience signals long-term potential. Keep an eye on Bitcoin's attempt to breach $92,000 mark and Ethereum's key resistance levels. And for more updates, stay tuned to Analytics Insight, your go-to digital companion for all the things crypto. Remember, in the crypto world, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit.